Nueva Ecija pa. Kasi pinalalabas ako ulit sa MacArthur. Yan. So ito si Honda. Kumain ako ng pusit. Sarap. Sarap. Favorite.
Ready to have the most fun over your music? Settle into your favorite playlists and albums, with every song flowing into the next. Thanks to uninterrupted music listening.
So, lubos-lubusin na rin natin. Ayan. Kaya, nag-vlog tayo dito. At least, yung vlog natin, nakakarating ng Tarlac.
Kuya, ang
Ha?
galing.
Okay yan, ha? Ay, meron pala akong katuwang dito, yun. Si Rider Smile. Okay. Okay. Yan. So, I guess it's time to go. Layo-layo pa ang malayo-layo pa ang aking tatahakin. See you later.